Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to check temperature of M1 M2 Mac. So let's get started. In order to check M1 or M2 Mac temperature, you'll have to download an app named Hot App. Visit the Hot App GitHub page to download the latest release of the app. Navigate to the download option available in there and simply tap on it and download the zip file located in the Hot App website. Also, if you encounter a warning that the app is from an unidentified developer, then simply go to the System Preferences, Security and Privacy, General, and click Open Anyway. So after the download, simply tap on the Hot App option available there. So once the Hot App is running, you should see its icon in the menu bar. Click on the Hot App icon in the menu bar to view a drop down with the various temperature readings. So you can see every temperature readings here and also the degree Celsius of your MacBook in the menu bar. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.